Welcome to our channel. Today, we have come up with another amazing video on how to make money online. This is a very simple and easy way to make money online. And we will be showing you how to make $390.44 for only a couple of minutes of work. If you want to make money, listen up. This website is ZarekLamy.com. There are 4 ways to make money in this video. First one is to browse websites, videos, and ads. Second is to leave engagement on social media. That includes watching, liking, and sharing on the video. The third one is writing comments and reviews. The fourth is to fill out surveys. Step 1. Select the method of earning. You can choose from all the mentioned options. Step 2. Start working on the method you have chosen. Step 3. You get sent the payment after you reach the threshold. Now, let's move on to sign up to get a free account. Click on the registration button. You will be brought to another page where you get options to start your account. You can register with your Google account or create a new one by typing your email and password. You will be taken to another window where you will find your estimated earnings starting from 0. Verify your account from your email and then it gets activated. Come back to the dashboard. Select the Earn option and choose any method you find. Click on the green button that says Earn. If you're watching a video, then do not pause your video at any cost. That's it for the video. Hope you found it helpful. Do like, comment, and share. Also, smash that bell icon for future updates.